Wales Millennium Centre is much more than a beautiful building. As a charity, we seek to inspire, create and provide opportunities for young people to fulfil their potential and broaden horizons. We believe that the arts is for everyone, and we provide workshops, projects and a programme of activities for those that might not otherwise experience them. Every penny spent at the centre helps us to reach a new generation of people, allowing voices to be heard, minds to be ignited, hearts to be lifted and ideas to soar. Support us by donating via our collection boxes, becoming a Promise member, buying a ticket to a show, and even buying a coffee and cafe. We also receive support in other ways. Some people volunteer their time, while others leave a gift in their will. A number of Wales's leading corporate organisations provide sponsorship, while several trusts and foundations provide vital funding. Individuals and businesses from all over Wales help us to fuel our furnace of creativity, and for that we're truly grateful. Thank you for helping us help them.